केंद्रीय मंत्री जितेंद्र सिंह ने कहा कि स्पेस इकोनॉमी भारत की तरक्की में अहम भूमिका निभाएगी। मंत्री जितेंद्र सिंह ने आज नई दिल्ली के मीडिया सेंटर में अनुसंधान कार्य को आसान बनाने के लिए नीतिगत सुधार विषय पर प्रेस वार्ता को संबोधित किया। इस दौरान उन्होंने कहा कि स्पेस में निजी क्षेत्र की भागीदारी बहुत बड़ा कदम है। उन्होंने कहा कि हम नवाचार पर फोकस कर रहे हैं और वैश्विक मापदंडों पर खुद को पहुंचाना है। केंद्रीय मंत्री ने कहा कि भारत दुनिया की चौथी इकोनॉमी बन गया है।
The PMO, this would not have been possible without the cognizance of the Honorable Prime Minister. But as all of us know, Prime Minister is known to have the capacity to break many taboos of the past. In fact, this government has also done away with as many as 1,600 rules in the past. And I have been a witness to that because I also deal with the DOPT. And so this is also in the same spirit that we are going ahead. And incidentally, this is also the time when the government is completing 11 years of its being in the office. And as India moves from a service-driven economy to an innovation-driven economy, we have no other option but to focus on innovation. And focusing on innovation is no longer only the business of the Science and Technology Ministry or the Science or the Ministry of Education. It's in fact the whole of government's concern, whole of nation's concern. And as the Honorable Prime Minister has always been emphasizing whole of government, whole of science, whole of nation approach, I think this is also in keeping with that. And therefore, this is imperative on those of us who are part of the government to allow as much freedom as possible to the young innovators to realize the flight of their ideas. Because when we are looking forward to play a global role, and now that we have moved over to the fourth economy from the 10th economy that we were 11 years back, and now hope to be in another 3 years rank 3 and then moving on, I think we'll have to follow the global strategies, global parameters, and our benchmarks have to be related to the global benchmarks, so we can no longer rest or take satisfaction on what others have done within domestically, and we have done better than that. So in order to do that, we also need to make sure that within the framework given to us, with exercising all the integrity at our command, we try to give as much freedom as possible for the innovation to grow. And you must have realized the intent of this government over the last 10 years, some of the most unexpected decisions taken which were not even demanded for, like for example opening the space to the private sector, and also this year the announcement to open the nuclear sector.